welcome to the Vlogging Pod. This topic is one that's heavy, but also important because even in moments of loss, we can still find paths of a resistance, hope, and legal protection. On May 30th, the U.S. Supreme Court ruled in favor of ending a humanitarian parole program that offered temporary protection to over 5,000 immigrants from Cuba, Haiti, Nicaragua, Venezuela. That decision struck like a thunderclap. For many, it felt like the ground beneath their feet shifted. But here's the thing. That ruling doesn't erase all rights. It doesn't erase all hope. Because earlier this spring, the Supreme Court also made two other rulings that still stand, and they matter deeply. On April 7th, the court ruled that due process protections do apply to immigrants facing deportation under the Alien Enemies Act. That means individuals still have the right to be notified and to challenge removal orders in court. Due process is not gone. It is still legally binding, and it still offers a shield. Then, on May 16th, in another key decision, the court blocked the administration's attempt to deport Venezuelan migrants under the same wartime era law. Why? Because it violated due process again, proving that the Constitution protections still matter in the courts, even if they are tested. And while these national headlines often feel out of reach, some states are stepping up in ways that deserve attention. Take Connecticut. Lawmakers there expanded the Trust Act to limit how much local law enforcement can work with federal immigration agencies. They now require a judicial warrant before someone can be held on an immigration detainer, and they gave people the right to sue if their rights are violated. In Maryland, new protections were passed to prevent immigration action in sensitive places like schools, hospitals, or courthouses. These may sound like small moves, but they create safer spaces for families and help maintain a sense of trust in communities. And even in red states, there are signals. Local governments and faith-based organizations are quietly offering sanctuary, legal guidance, and resistance to unjust detentions. It might not always make the front page, but the work is being done. Civil rights groups are also in this fight. They are not giving up. Organizations like ACLU, CASD Maryland, CHRLA, the Texas Rights Protective Project, and Make the Road New York are filing lawsuits, offering legal services, and showing up in courtrooms and communities to make sure no one faces this moment alone. So what does all this mean? It means there's still a legal path. It means there's still structures holding, even when parts feel like they're falling away. It means knowing your rights is vital. Seeking legal help is still possible. And speaking out, whether you're an immigrant or an ally, a neighbor, or just someone paying attention, still makes a difference. These may be dark times, but we are not powerless. We are not voiceless. And most importantly, we are not alone. Our sources come from Time Magazine, SCOTUS Blog, Reuters, CT Mirror, Maryland Matters, Immigration Legal Resources Center, ACLU, United We Dream, NILC, CHIRLA, Casa de Maryland, Make the Road New York, Texas Civil Rights Project, Immigration Advocates Network. Thank you for listening. Until next time, bye-bye for now.